In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim rewards in Duolingo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to make sure your hard-earned progress turns into rewards you can actually use. Start by opening the Duolingo app on your device. Give it a second to load completely so everything on your account syncs. If you're returning after a while, make sure you're signed into the correct account so the right progress and rewards show up. Once the app opens, make sure you're on the home screen. This is the main screen with your language path and lessons laid out in order. If you're on another tab, like your profile or the shop, use the bottom navigation to switch back to home. You should see your next lesson card front and center, ready to go. Tap. Continue to begin or resume your next lesson. This button appears on the lesson card at the top of your path. If the button says something slightly different, like resume or start, that's fine. It serves the same purpose. Opening the lesson from here ensures your progress is tracked correctly toward rewards. Work through the lesson all the way to the end. Complete each exercise until you reach the results screen that confirms you've finished. If you make mistakes, just keep going. What matters is reaching the completion screen so the app registers your lesson is done. If you're low on hearts, take your time and use hints when needed so you can finish in one go. After you've finished, head to the rewards area by tapping the treasure icon at the bottom of the screen. This icon may look like a little chest and is often labeled as the place where rewards or chests live. It's the hub where Duolingo groups the items you can claim. On the rewards screen, look for the prompt associated with the lesson you just completed. You should see an option to claim what you've earned. This could appear as a chest, a banner, or a button that clearly says claim. Tap it once, wait for the animation to finish, and you'll see your totals update. Rewards can include things like gems, XP, or limited time boosters depending on what's active in your account. If you don't see the claim right away, give the app a moment to update, then switch back to home and return to the treasure icon. Double check that your lesson shows as completed on the path. Some rewards appear only after the results screen is fully processed. That's it. Open the app, start from home, tap continue, finish your lesson, open the treasure icon, and claim what you earned. Happy learning and enjoy your rewards.